Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Hub. We are giving a giveaway to win 10 million Shiba Inu coins. You are familiar with cryptocurrency. Elon Musk beat us. Pricing may have put the final nail in the bearish coffin, and a sweep the lows event might follow from Shib's recent price action, according to Elon Musk, who just announced his Shiba Inu coin portfolio on Twitter today. This thesis identifies potential outcomes that could be optimistic or negative in the upcoming days. We will discuss Elon Musk's recent sharing of his shoe collection and currency portfolio on Twitter in this video. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Shiba before a sharp decrease starts on December 24, the price of ENOs might be nearing its end. The infamous meme currency presently trades for $0.0000835, 13% below December's beginning price and 90% below all-time highs. The most popular dark coin in the world has been bouncing back and forth between the coiling range for a number of weeks. The range has gradually produced lower highs and higher lows, giving day traders fewer opportunities to participate. Price on the bottom end of the range is consolidating. On December 18 and December 22, bullish traders may be playing with fire in the markets. The bullish attempts to enter the coiling ranges midway were refused by the bears, using the 8-day exponential moving average as a guide. The suppression might indicate that the range's auction is over and bears are prepared to drive SHIB prices lower. The summer lows, which are at $0.0000607, would be the initial bearish target, for a 15% decrease off the price at the time of sale. A contrarian approach to entering the market could result in needless losses. Invalidating the bearish thesis would still be a breach. $0.0000932 as per the previous pessimistic prognosis. The level SHIB could rise as high as the swing high at $0.0001055 on November 10 if the bulls clear their obstacle. The cost of Shiba Inu would increase by 21%. If the bulls were successful, she would have defeated Usince in just 24 hours. The number of users in the SHIB army has increased while the burn of new tokens has increased by almost 150% to reach 5.1 million SHIBs. Data from the Shiba Inu burden tracker SHIB burn shows that she beat us, with a 150% increase in burn rate. During the previous day, at a time when the Bitcoin market has been in a bear market for more than a year, Shiba Inu tokens are effectively destroyed because they cannot be recovered when they are transmitted to so-called dead wallets, which are wallets on the Ethereum network that no one has access to. The SHIB army has long supported token burning to lower the meme-inspired cryptocurrency's circulating supply and to increase the value of circulating tokens if demand holds steady or increases. The Shiba Inu Society destroyed 410 trillion tokens around the end of last year. The community of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has organized several ways to make money and burn SHIB, including an Amazon affiliates program and music playlists that the community listens to, particularly the media. The amount of time that users on the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase held onto the Shiba Inu before selling it, moving it, or moving it to an external address has now surpassed 210 days. On its website, the cryptocurrency exchange adds that long hold times signify an accumulating trend, while short hold times signify increased token movement. She beat us consistently throughout the exchange, as reported by CryptoGlobe, since the feature was enabled. As the SHIB army expands, over 600 new holders have been joining the SHIB each day this month. According to blockchain data, the number of holders has increased this month from about 121.50 million to over 121.50 million. The retail trading slowdown is most noticeable in the brokerage. In little than a year, Robinhood transitioned from a buzz company to any platform. The company went public on Wall Street in July of last year for $38 per share, with a market worth of just under $32 billion. After less than a year, these numbers now seem to be an illusion. Robinhood stock dropped 69.6%. $11.55 as of the April 12 check. The company's market cap has decreased by more than $22 billion. Although the challenging aspect is that Robinhood's goal of democratizing commerce and money appears to be in doubt. By reducing fees, the company managed to upend the brokerage market, ultimately compelling much larger rivals to follow suit. However, growth has been difficult for the company lately. The trading app for stocks issued a warning in January stating that it expects first quarter revenue of less than $340 million. After monthly active users dropped to 17.3 million in the fourth quarter of 2021, the number was down 35% from 2021, compared to 18 in the third quarter. The fact that revenue from cryptocurrency trading is rapidly falling is one of the alarming signs. In the second quarter of 2021, Robinhood recorded cryptocurrency trading revenue of $233 million. However, revenue from cryptocurrency in the fourth quarter was barely $48 million. After COVID-19 struck, compelling governments to provide trillions of dollars in monetary support for the unemployed and suffering enterprises, Robinhood became extremely popular among retail investors buying and selling meme stocks and cryptocurrencies. But with many nations full reopening and the cessation of fiscal and monetary assistance, that money has run out. Last month, the Federal Reserve started hiking interest rates, and more increases are anticipated. The firm is stepping up its attempts to win back individual investors, particularly the prosperous Gen Z and millennials. The brokerage has made the decision to include cryptocurrency in the list of assets that can be traded on its website. These cryptos are some of the most well-known in the cryptocurrency world. Robinhood also gives CBE something fresh by include her in the array of resources available on its platform. Robinhood is placing a wager that the legion of retail traders and crypto enthusiasts would swarm to support their preferred cryptocurrency. When they last checked, their petition to make Robinhood accept you had accumulated more than 559,715 signatures. When she bought you a new coin in September 2020, its value was $0.00000003, but it was now worth $0.00000267. According to Currency Gecko's most recent check, as we aim to make Robinhood the finest place to invest in cryptocurrencies, we're thrilled to give our customers more options, said Steve Cork, Chief Brokerage Officer at Robinhood. As a firm that puts safety first, we have a strict framework in place to assist us in evaluating assets for listing, and we are still committed to offering a secure and informative crypto platform. The Shiba Inu community is getting into the holiday spirit with a new collection of children's short stories called Shiba. She and her writing partner just produced a holiday video on YouTube. They have more than 3,500 views and a large number of supportive comments already. The endearing Christmas special on YouTube has 2 kids telling the story. Additionally, the family that supports the Shib intends to print hard copies of the stories. Around New Year's Eve, the children's book about the Shib is expected to be published. Thank you for supporting our children's stories. Tolkien #ShipArmy. We have received a lot of encouraging remarks, and our family would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Teller 77 has received more over 2,200 views. She identified herself as Emma, the Shib team's main developer, who was seated at the Hanukkah table and giving thanks for the candles lighting. The modifications made clear this, and she, according to Toshi's Twitter bio, the enigmatic boss switched to an image of Hanukkah candles, which was rapidly picked up by the constantly active cryptocurrency Twitter. The official collectible card game Shiva Eternity has received an upgrade, and the dog version is now available to the Shib's multicultural and multinational population. Joe was updated to version 1.4, which fixed a number of bugs that the players had been experiencing with their mobile devices. The majority of the Shib army is eagerly awaiting the debut of the Shib Aryan upgrade. In fact, the Layer 2 Shib ecosystem solution is said to be in beta stage. On the Shed's official Discord server, Ashutosh repeatedly and independently reaffirmed this. Keep in mind that the public testnet for #Jabaraya is ShibFamBeta. Do you feel energized by this message from Ashutosh Ik Rosanna? When he finds someone naive enough to accept the position, Elon Musk has declared he would step down as Twitter's CEO. The billionaire had pledged to follow the decision of a Twitter poll in which 57.5% of followers said they supported him leaving the position. He claims that even once a replacement is found, he will continue to lead the software and server teams. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons.